Hey, I just got this awesome Yoshi remote control. It's a really good size, and I'm gonna prank my dogs. I'm a prank channel now. All right, let's get the controller over here. Let's flip this bad boy over. Let's flip its switch here. Yeah, let's flip it. Flipped it. Okay. Now the red light's glowing. I'm gonna turn on this controller. I'm gonna prank my dogs. Oh jeez, come on. Okay. Oh, I think I got it. I believe. Okay, yeah, I got it. Oh, that one heard it. Well, guess what? About to say hello. Here it comes. Here it comes. Look out. Look out. Look out. It's coming for you. Oh, you're getting a little brave. Not for long. Oh, it's fighting back. It's fighting back. Oh, she's gonna get it. Oh, it's coming at you. It's coming right back at you. Oh. All right. Oh, it's going around. Oh yeah, we're coming back to you. Ah, it's biting it. Crap. It's okay. We're good. We're good. It's okay. Okay. Oh, that's probably not good. Okay, dog. Aha. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Alright, I'm bored now. See you later. I ain't doing this anymore. This is really hard to control with one hand. Where'd it go? Do you hear it? You should go get it. What is that? Oh, it's a Yoshi.